Welcome to Famigo Dashcam, where the road turns into an unscripted action movie. Buckle up, hit subscribe, and enjoy the ride.
When Ram ran, it was like watching a hunting hound speed after a deer or wild new muscles ponies.
A little patience keeps the whole highway safe, while hurry only brings everything to a stop. Shocking dashcam footage reminds us how thin the line is between balance and disaster. Speed and red lights never work well together, and this proves it. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. Looks like someone let the road take the wheel this time. Three cars, one bad idea. Teamwork clearly wasn't on the agenda today.
Oh my God!
Dashcam car crashes like this remind us, intersections don't just test your driving skills, they test your patience. That's definitely not the way the manufacturer intended the door to open. Always double-check the hitch, because some surprises don't come with warnings. Control isn't just about balance, it's about focus. Just one small mistake can turn a whole journey upside down. Have you ever seen something like this? Share it in the comments below. At intersections, it's not about who goes first, it's about who waits wisely. That move looked like a NASCAR driver forgetting this isn't the final lap. Speed thrills until control disappears and gravity takes over. Moments like these remind us that safety can disappear in an instant. Luck helped this time, but attention would have done better.
Oh my God. You got hit by a car.
Wet roads demand respect. Even a little speed can turn control into chaos. Just a brief lapse can turn a familiar drive into a moment no one wishes to remember. Guess that's one close connection nobody asked for. Sometimes a single wrong judgment at an intersection can ruin more than one driver's day. Patience may slow you down for a moment, but it's always lighter than any unfortunate moment. That tire clearly wanted to go solo. On icy roads, even confidence can slip.
Tá contra o audífono?
Sim, claro que sim.
Take exit 239 on the right toward Lockhart.
Oh shit!
Nature reminds us that sometimes slowing down is the only smart move.
Whoa, whoa, what? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Keeping distance isn't just good manners on the road, it's the simplest way to stay safe. Especially when the thrill of speed makes us forget the limits of safety. On icy roads, smooth and steady always beats quick and risky. Fast doesn't always mean ahead, sometimes it just means in trouble. That move looked like a driver trying out for a drag race. Night driving isn't just about headlights, it's about awareness.
Oh my god.
That windshield definitely didn't expect to be part of today's flying experiment.
Thanks.
Rear end surprises are the kind we can all avoid, with a little patience.
By your fear during the situation, and of course my example always for this.
Thank you for riding along. Drive carefully, stay focused, and don't forget to subscribe and share for more moments like these.